Main ideas of the course by Diana Andrea Buitrago-Villamil. Course Teacher Development, May 2019. Pre-task. In this step, we made a tour of the different contents of the course to get a general idea about the activities to develop and summarize them in a conceptual manner. Task 1. The role of teacher qualification. In this step, we made several readings to find, because the development of the teacher is important in the learning process. Then we made an infographic that summarizes the readings with their most relevant points. These are the main areas. Teacher training and teacher development are very important so that the teacher can face the challenge of their work. Good practices in teaching are very important as they have an impact on the teacher development. The English teacher must constantly update. The development of a skill in the first years of teaching can make a difference. Reading and writing skills are basic in the learning process. Task 2. How do ratios contribute to teacher development? For this stage, we made 5 readings in which we analyzed the importance of research for teacher development. In these readings, we find different aspects such as continuous professional learning and teacher development are important and generate an impact on teachers and students. The needs of students should be taken as the central part of learning so that it has a positive impact. For teacher research, it is very important to understand and evaluate different situations. A global concern is improvement and maintenance of education quality. The different education programs are aimed at improving the development and skill of teachers. Task 3. Developing research in my own setting. For this stage, we learned about the different lines and research groups that the university has. Then we made a research proposal to the group, which we had to relate to the group and line of research that would correspond in the university, and among the proposal person was selected to be presented by the group. In our group, we select a proposal that seeks to investigate the academic factors associated with low performance in English in the severe protest presented by the students of the Faculty of Education in 2017 University of Cartagena. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.